So guys, in this video I want to show you how to withdraw your Save As You Transact for the Moniepoint app. Yeah, the reason I want to do this video is that I have actually been asked this thing several times, both on my bills and people that are not my bills. Like I said, today I'll take out time and do this video. So you're gonna follow me. I've actually assisted people to withdraw Save As You Transact for them. I did not make videos for that. I just did it for them. Did it for myself also. But today it's going to be special while I'm recording this video because I'm also trying to use a new method I just discovered today that is doing it from the app. We all know that withdraw your Save As You Transact, it has to be from your web browser where you go to the Moniepoint atm.moniepoint.com, log in, start going to withdraw, switch account. That's the regular method. Switch account, then transfer, enter pin, the likes, the whole process of using the web browser. But today, if you stick to the end of this video, you're going to see how I use a new method to withdraw it inside your app effortlessly, seamlessly. So keep watching. So now I'm inside of my Moniepoint business app. Know that your Save As You Transact also reflects on your business app, not on your personal. On that note, this is my business app, and I have several accounts on the business app. That this one that bears my name is the Save As You Transact, while others are normal service. I have withdrawn money on it before, but this particular video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Save As You Transact, starting from going to your savings session to where you are seeing your balance. Now I have a little fun there, but the amount doesn't matter. What matters is you knowing the process. Hope you follow. Now you first of all log into your Moniepoint business app, navigate to savings, locate your savings, your Save As You Transact active plan. I have one active plan of my Save As You Transact. I have one active plan of my Save As You Transact. Now I have about 840 naira, which is the saving per transaction. And I don't really use this POS that much. That is why. But I'm not giving excuse for any health. And it means you just, whether it's 100 naira, whether it's 10 million, whether it's 1 million, just know how to do the process carefully. I want to take you through the process carefully. So pay attentively. Watch of this. Now I've opened my Save As You Transact. This is it. Now while you're in the app, you're going to see withdraw. And most people do withdraw with this thing. Then later start going to the web app. Most people do withdraw from the mobile app. Then start going to the web app to cash out to your main account. But this video, I'm showing you how to cash out to your main from inside your app to your main account without going to the web browser. So the core aim again of this video is showing how to withdraw Save As You Transact without using the atm.moniepoint.com series. Like this is using the Moniepoint mobile app. There's no magic, shall. So just shall follow me. Now, most of you might have different POS, and you go to see it on different, and you do Save As You Transact on different POS. But this one is particular to this one account. So know the account you are withdrawing for, know the amount you are withdrawing, know amount before and after. So this is it. So first of all, click on. There's a warning. Please note that you will be charged 1% cap at 1,000 naira of your withdrawal amount. Just click on agree, because this, why the thing is showing this now is because it is not yet time for me to withdraw my Save As You Transact as what I set it to be. So since I'm withdrawing before time, you're going to be charged 1% cap of 1,000 naira to your withdrawal. So continue. So the 1% charge for this 849 is 8 naira 40 kobo. What I will receive is 831 naira 60 kobo. So this is I'm withdrawing it. So I click on proceed. I have to input my pin. So let me pause this video while I do that. So I have actually inputted my pin. I click on the continue. So successful. Withdraw successful. Congratulations, your micro service 814 naira for your micro saving plan was successful. Close. Now, if you watch now, you will notice that you now have a zero balance on your Save As You Transact and savings cash out. This money has actually not been reflected. This money have not actually been reflected on your main account. Where you now locate this thing now is on your savings. Well, let me refresh. I'm going to refresh. It's going to be sure. Wait, I want to see something. I'm coming. I'm trying to navigate this and see something also. Let me check on history. It's not being cashed out here. It's not being cashed out here. Just hold on a bit. It's not being cashed out here. It's supposed to be now in my balance, in my my name. However, we're still proceeding. Just cha-cha. Keep the cool. Keep the cool. Keep the cool. Keep the cool. Come in. I will log out and log again. Let me know if it will reflect. So guys, I was trying to locate that the money that I just withdraw now reflects on this my main name of this thing, like this first one. But it seems as if it's not reflecting. However, not to bother, it's not like I'm trying to perform a magic. I was just trying to try a new way of what I discovered from a tutorial I watch online. Yeah. So, but if it doesn't work, I will still show you how to withdraw from your web browser. Cool. Stay cool. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Forgive me. The thing take time to load. Now you watch. I had 68 naira before. You can see it here. I have 68 naira before. Now it's now 900. So 830 something plus 68 naira gave me 900. Now you see that my money has been withdrawn. Wow. We're discovering. Come on, guys. Let's follow. Follow this now. I've got on the track of what I want. So you can see now that the one with my name, actually, or let me just put it, that first one was where my Save As You Transact or thereabouts usually reflect on. Now has 900. Instead of, if you can rewind back on this video, you're going to see it was 68. So now what next do I do, or how next should I cash this Save As You Transact money now? I'm not using, this is the mobile app, this is not the browser. So watch how I do that now. See magic happening. Now I'll go to as if I want to transfer. I'm on my main account. I'll go to as if I want to transfer to someone. Now on this place, what I would now do is I will now click on switching accounts. Did you see it? Let me go again. When you are able to see that your money is reflected on this your first name, but you notice that you can't access that fund, Save As You Transact, because it's still on. Like I know it's a kind of a locked account or something, that account that is not easy to transfer money out from via this normal means of switching accounts. You cannot switch to it easily. So, but I will now do as if I want to transfer money to an account. But what I will now do now is this. I will now come to switching account. It is not the last account here now. Yes. But the only thing is that you can only transfer this money to your own account. You can't transfer it to other people. Or at this stage now, you only first of all transfer it to your main account now before you be able to transfer it out. So I'm switching to that account. I'm switching to that account now. You see, proceed. Now you see that the 900, that which is like 830 something plus 68 naira or there, but gave me the 900. So the only account I can send money to now, paying from, is this one. So you see it. Then now we have finished switching account. Wait, oh, you just keep following me. I'm trying to navigate. This is a new method I discovered. I don't want us to be going to that Moniepoint.com regular this time. I'm trying to discover how we can actually use this method to actually cash out without stress. Just keep following. So what next? What next? Aha. So guys, listen up, listen up, listen up. This is EPS TechAge. So in the TechAge, should not be using regular method, only days method. Now that I'm able to switch to that account, first of all, now what I do is this: the only account you can actually transfer to is your main account in this platform. So ensure that your mobile app, Moniepoint mobile app, is updated. Yes, so that you don't encounter any issue there. But now I've switched to this account. I will be sending the money to the account that has 500 and something naira. Yes, that account is like my normal account I can transfer out. But this one now is the one that is the Save As You Transact, that's 900 naira. So let me say I'm sending money to this my main account now. Sending money to this my main account. I confirm receipt. So I'm paying from my Save As You Transact account. Watch you to my main account. Note, you can only send money to your main account, not to other accounts. So you have to withdraw the Save As You Transact to your main account before you can send it out to your other account. So we enter 900 naira. Hey, 900 naira. No charges fee because it's Moniepoint to Moniepoint normally that you shall know these things. So now we click on continue. So I'm transferring money from that my Save As You Transact account to my main account. Few charges 900 naira. Ciao, let's go there. So I can just put it narration withdrawing. The narration doesn't matters a lot, but I want to just put it withdrawing Save As You Transact to Save As You Transact using mobile app. Guys, watch. We're just Save As You Transact using mobile app. The description doesn't really matter. I want to just put it for reference sake. So this is first time trying this out, guys. Yeah, I watched a video. I said I should try that, and while I'm doing it, I should use screen recording and just screen record what I'm doing. So guys, we are still on the process of learning how this thing work. Yes. So the actually method I'm good at, or we all know how to do, is just going to Moniepoint.com, regular method. You withdraw, you come, change your account, and there. But this one, inside of the app, we are doing this. Whoa, this is amazing to discover. I'm going to share this video to a lot of people because people will be asking me. And when I try to tell them that Moniepoint.com, they'll start verifying faces, getting OTP. Most of the devil know their password again. So if you are the fellow that might use your fingerprint to log into your app and you don't remember your PIN and you want to use your Save As You Transact, this is the easiest method to just do it inside of your app. We are seeing the process, guys. Follow, like, comment, share this video to your fellow colleague that has Moniepoint and or POS and debit. So let's go. So he asks us to confirm our payment we are making. Now we are transferring from what we're able to withdraw from our main balance, our Save As You Transact to our Save As You Transact account. Now we want to transfer to our main account. So that is it. So I've confirmed everything. I click on pay. It's asking me for my PIN now to enter authorized PIN so that I can cash out my money. Let me pause this video and put my PIN and come back. I'm coming. So guys, I've withdrawn my money of my Save As You Transact to my main account. Guys, transfer successful. 900 naira is the money I have in my Save As You Transact. While doing this video, I've withdrawn money before for my Save As You Transact. So guys, I did not go to atm.moniepoint.com. I was able to do it inside the mobile app. People go here and win because this update shall sure, and my good people, my bills in my group, I'm going to share this video to them. Wow, I'm going to drop a content also for those that love watching content. I have withdrawn my Save As You channel. Let's go and check my main balance. I have 500 something because that was the account that I sent it to. Dismiss. So the money is being added up. Watch. This is it. Wallet fund transfer. You see that the description was actually different. Wallet fund transfer. So it wasn't a transfer from any person. See, film the description. Wallet fund transfer. Film the description. See, film the description. So the money was actually cash out. Wow. So we don't actually need to start navigate to it in the Moniepoint.com. This is a short update. You see that my balance has been reflected. Now look at that. My Save As You Transact is 0. My Save As You Transact now is 0.40 kobo. 0.40 kobo. Yeah. So I have my money, my Save As You Transact. So if you find this video helpful, please, first of all, click the like, click subscribe, drop a comment, then share this video to everybody. Allow YouTube to bring this video up. Yeah, guys, so this is Steve Haven't. I don't need your pin. We are not cursing for people. We're going to share. We are not going to chat you privately. We are not. Disclaimer: this video, I'm not. Nobody is chatting you privately or about asking for a pin or that. Please just follow the direction from this video. Fine, go and know how to. Okay, if you cannot be able to do it, contact your business relationship manager or Moniepoint customer support. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got value. For watching your time, for the time you spent and everything. Peace out. This is EPS TechAge. Peace out.